All right, so here we are. We are at the BTAG booth here at SEMA 2022. Here with Dave Flockhart here. How's it going, Dave?
Very well, thank you.
That's
Good
good.
to be here.
Great. Yeah. So we're just checking in to see what you guys are showing off at this year's show.
A major focus for us from a repairer perspective is how do we help collision centers to become more focused on delivering a proper repair, quick repair, cost-effective repair, profitable repair, and an ecological repair. And in doing that, actually, it's for the benefit of all. So we're focusing on what works for the collision center, what works for the customer, what works for the OE, and what works for the insurance partner.
Right on. So and I see we got a lot of equipment out here. Is there anything in particular you guys are showing off this year? There's a lot of exciting stuff going around. A lot of banging hammers and whatnot.
Our focus has always been largely on outer panel repair. But actually the way that we've differentiated and the impact, the most impact that we have with the shop is really around our skill development programs. So enabling less experienced entry-level journeyman technician, taking them through a very comprehensive skill development and mentorship program to enable them to become more productive, more efficient technicians. And then the tools and equipment that we produce actually enable them to repair a broader scope of repair to a high quality standard.
And is there anything in particular this year maybe is a focus for training? Is there any gaps you're trying to fill or anything like that?
I mean, technician shortage is a big theme within the industry. Our ability to focus on these entry-level journeyman technician, C technicians, and turn them into more productive B technicians has a major impact within the current environment in terms of throughput and profitability for the shop. So our outer panel repair specialist program, our OPRS program, has the demand for it's become very high. We're now offering that across Canada. We've just launched a program with Saskatchewan Polytechnic, which has gone very well. So their trainers within Saskatoon are delivering. We've licensed them to deliver our program, which we're excited about. We've been growing our team in Canada, so we're delivering training not only for OEMs, but we're delivering now in the aftermarket. We can do that coast to coast in Canada.
That's excellent.
We're excited about 23.
That's excellent. That's awesome. Okay, and maybe just speaking a little bit more generally, maybe we could talk about a little bit about what it's like being back at SEMA. It's been a long road getting here. It's everyone seems pretty enthusiastic. How's it been going so far?
We're a day and a half in. I really like the fact that we're all together now in the South Hall. So I think that's good for exhibitors and it's good for visitors. So actually, if you look at the hall as a whole, actually, if you're coming to try and actually see what's new, what's working within collision, all of the answers are in one place. I think quality of exhibitor booths has gone up from what I can see, so it's great being back here. Footfall has been excellent. Quality of traffic's been excellent, so yeah, really enjoying it. Thank you.
Fantastic. Do you want to shout out your booth real quick? Where are you guys? Where?
We are in the South Hall Upper, and it's booth 31219.
Excellent. Thank you so much. You have a good rest of the show, Dave.
It's a pleasure. Thanks.
Thank you so much. Thanks.